I am Subhan and today I am going to tell you about the black holes, and in the previous video I was telling you about the Big Bang and the destruction theories of the universe. So today we will know about the black holes and I will tell you the very amazing facts about the black holes. So let's start this video on the black holes. I have chosen the black hole topic because this is my favorite topic and this is the most complicated object in the universe. This is the complicated object because we don't know much about it. The black holes are very mysterious object present in the universe. They lies in every part of the universe. There are more than the millions of black holes in our Milky Way galaxy. So if a galaxy contains the millions of black holes, so how many black holes could be possible in the whole universe? We know that the universe is very big. There are more than the trillions of stars, trillions of galaxies in our universe. So it means that there are the possibility of billions of black holes in the universe. So what is a black hole? So the black holes are the region of space. This is the place in space which contains the very high gravitational pull, and the black holes are made up of the collapse of a star. When a star collapses by its own gravity, it forms an area which is covered with very high density of mass known as the black holes. So the black holes bend the space-time and it made down the curves in space-time. The space-time means that this is the theoretical part of the Einstein's theory of relativity, which means that the gravity is not a force. This is the distortion of space and time in the universe. So it means that the space is like a distortion of space-time. So the gravity is a space. You can see it here. So the Einstein explains that the gravity is the distortion. Distortion means the bend in space-time. So the space and times are correlative with each other. The times is changeable and the time is related to this time, to our place. The place at which we are located, it affects the time. The running of the time, the speed of the time is correlative with the space. So where are we located? This is the other concept. I will make the new video in the space-time or the general relativity and the theory of relativity. I will explain it in the other video. So in this video, I am going to tell you about the black holes. So black holes are formed when stars collapse into its gravity and form their very big area, which is very high densely populated with the mass. So when stars collapse, all the energy which is inside the black holes point out, like all the energy which were going in the black holes and which were coming outside from the black hole is conserved in the very small area. You can see it here. This is the collapsion of a star into the black holes. So when these black holes form, they wrap the space-time, they make a very big curve in the space-time, and due to this curve, the gravity forms. The gravity distortion, as I already told you. So when this distortion takes place, the black hole formed, and the gravity of the black hole is so strong, it is strong enough to pull the light. As we all know that the speed of light is about the 3 lakhs kilometer per second, can't escape from its gravity. It means the escape velocity of a black hole is more than the speed of light. So you can see it here, a light is going inside a black hole and it is no way to came it out. So it means that the black holes has enough strong gravity to bend this light. As we all know, according to our physics laws, light travel in the straight line. You can see it here. This is a diagram of the light. So according to this theory, according to the physics, the light travels in a straight line. But all laws are fail at the black holes, because black holes are the region, black holes are the object in which no physics law is working. We haven't any physics law to describe the black holes. The many scientists are working to explain the black holes, and I have also my theories on the black holes, and I have explained how the black holes and how they are populated and how the black holes formed, and many theories of mine are today. But I will not discuss on my theories. When I will be a cosmologist, then I will share my theories in front of the world. So today I'm only telling you about the scientist theories like the Hawking, Stephen Hawking, and Albert Einstein, Newton's, and many other scientists are there. The Michio Kaku include the Neil deGrasse Tyson and Lawrence Empress. So these are the new minds of the cosmology, and I will tell about these theories which have been made by them. So a black hole is very great and it has the very time acceleration. So when an object goes inside a black hole, there is no way to came it back. It means if anything goes inside a black hole or near to it, there is no possibility to came it out. So we don't have to go near a black hole to study. We have to study black holes from our Earth. We don't have the things which can go near the black hole, as we know if anything will go, the gravity will catch it and it will completely destroy it. Okay. So to know about the black holes, we have only the theories, and according to the base of the theories, we determine that how big is a black hole, how the black holes formed, and the many other objects and many other theories are there. So according to the basis of these theories, we determine the black hole. We haven't seen a black hole very nearby, because when we are trying to go near a black hole, we will completely destroy it. So we can't go near a black hole as the whole. So there are the three types of black holes: the stellar black holes, miniature black holes, and the supermassive black holes. So these three types of black holes are classified by the theories, and these theories are truth, as we all know that we have detected the black holes in real life. As the Einsteins have said that the black holes emit the radiations, and he said that in the 100 years ago, and after the 100 years it has been proved that when a black holes merge, it emits the radiations. And the Hawking's radiation, as we all know about the Hawking's radiations, the Hawking's radiations explains that a black hole could be evaporate by its energy, because we know by the equation of the Albert Einstein's theory, E equal to mc square, we know about it. So according to this theory, we have made a very great. So the E equal to mc square explains that the energy and the mass or matter are the same things and they are the different types. So according to this equation, the energy and the matter are the same thing. So we know the black hole is the mass and we are converted into the energy. So as we all know that the black holes are converting into the energy by the Hawking's radiation. Hawking had explained in the Hawking's radiations. So you can understand the Hawking's radiation very easily, because this is a cosmological concept and I am very interested in the cosmology. So I will make a new video for the another things. So in this video we are only talking about the black holes. So the first type of stellar black holes. The stellar black holes formed when a star collapses into its gravity, and this is the normal type of black holes which we ever seen in our world. Okay, so these black holes are 5 to 10 solar masses greater than our sun. So the stellar black holes are the very commonly black holes which we have seen and which we have detected in our common communication, in our common history, and we have detected the black holes. So the second one is the miniature black holes, and these are also known as the micro black holes or quantum mechanical black holes. So these black holes are the hypothetical type of black holes, and they are included that they are the very small size black holes. We know that the black holes are very dense, they have the very big great density they are having. Okay, so according to the theory of the miniature black hole, these black holes are the very small in size. They are might be much larger than the Earth or Jupiter. It is only a theoretical type of black holes and they are very small in size. And the third one is the supermassive black holes. Now from the word supermassive you are understanding that these are the very big black holes, and I am using the word monster here because the black holes are like the monsters. I am using the monsters or a zombie because the black holes are so dangerous, and the supermassive black holes is much and much dangerous than another type of the black hole. So supermassive black holes are formed when a black hole has already formed. You can see that there are the black holes, and when these black holes collapse and these black holes eat each of them and they form the very great larger black holes, and the black hole eat at the very times ago that we know that in a center of a galaxy there is a black hole. So this is the aged black holes, and he is not eating. It is not eating at this time, but when it was in the active state, it was eating up stars, planets, and anything which goes inside it, near it. It was captured by its gravity, and there is no chance of came it out. It converted into the energy and the simplest substances, and it goes inside a black hole. So the supermassive black holes lies in the center of any galaxy. As we know, the Milky galaxy is the galaxy which will form when Andromeda and the Milky Way galaxy will collapse into. It will take up to the millions of years from now when the Andromeda and the Milky Way will collide, and it forms a new galaxy known as the Milky Way galaxy. So in the Andromeda galaxy there is also a very big supermassive black hole in its center, and in our Milky Way too, and the any other galaxies which has been founded by the telescopes by the Keplers. Okay, so all these galaxies contains a supermassive black holes. I am talking that most of them contains. I'm not saying that all of them contains, because the galaxies which we have been seeing, they contains a supermassive black holes in their center. And the black holes are very useful too. If you are thinking that if the black holes are very dangerous, why are they there? If there were no black hole, it was very good for us. No, this is not a correct way, because if there was no black hole, if there is no black hole, what will happen? A thing will happen, a phenomena will happen. It like that we will not arrive in that planet Earth. And you are thinking that why, how it could be possible that if there was no black hole, we will not live? There is a very big reason, because we all know this our galaxy is controlled by its center of the galaxy, the black hole which is lying in the center. So when this black hole is the center of our galaxy, it is controlling our whole galaxy. We are moving around the galaxy, the sun is also moving around. Okay, so if this is the type of galaxy, as you can see that between the center, you can see that the center of the galaxy contains the very big shiny part. These are the quasars. So quasars are the parts of the universe, of the galaxy. They contain the supermassive black holes. So they are mostly located in the center of the galaxies due to the many stars which lies near a black hole. So a black hole is very big. A supermassive black hole is very big, and they contain a disk known as the acceleration disk. I told you about these theories and the three types of the black holes. So I have explained the black holes, and in the next video we will meet to a new astronomical topics. And